Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, we are going to talk about the most underrated feature of Clay, and that is the AI formulas. So, in this lesson, you are going to learn how to use the AI formula generator because later I'm going to demonstrate how I'm using this. And number two is that you are going to find different parts where you can use the AI formula. And then number three is that we are going to break down the specific types of formula, which are conditional runs, data formatting, and then outputting and combining data. So the AI formula generator is a very underutilized tool in Clay because not all people talk about this, and a lot of people are using Claygent or ChatGPT uh, to arrange or organize data. So there are three categories of formulas, and we're going to break down each of them. So number one is the conditional formula. I would say that this is my favorite one because it allows user to only run a cell if a certain condition is met. So let me give you an example. So I have here a clay table or a list of companies that are located in Australia. And let's just say I would only like to find contacts that are located in Queensland. And for that process, we can use the find contacts enrichment of Clay. So if we're going to select this, it's going to cost us 1 credit per row. I know there are a lot of ways on how you can enrich contacts wherein you can, save credits, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. So I'm just going to use this as an example. So let's say we are going to select find contacts at company. So if you are only looking to enrich companies that are located in Queensland, you don't want to run the enrichment for all rows because it's gonna cost a lot of credits. And for you to be able to run a specific row, you have to use the AI formula or the conditional run. So this is how you can use it. So in this section right here, only run if, you just have to describe the condition you want for the column to run. So you also have the option to write your own formula, but I don't use this because I don't even know how to write a code. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to describe the condition. So for example, this is what I would say. So only run if location contains Queensland or QLD. There we go. So let's check the results. So it's gonna provide you a sample output just to make sure that the formula generator was able to get your instructions correctly. So this looks correct. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this for 10 rows and let's see if it is correct. So as we can see here, the enrichment only ran for specific rows or for rows that only contains Queensland or QLD. That is a perfect example of a conditional formula run. So let's talk about number two, data formatting. So I think this is very underutilized because AI formulas can only be used for conditional formula runs. You can also use it for data formatting, and I'm gonna show you an example. So we're gonna head back to our table, and then what we are going to do as an example is that we are going to take out the state from this column. So to do that, we are just going to select insert formula, and then we're going to describe the formula that we want. So we want to get the state. That's our goal here. Get the state from location. All right. So this is the sample output. And we're gonna save this one just to make sure that it is correct. So I see that most Clay users are using ChatGPT for that kind of process, but yeah, you can use AI formula just to extract a specific data from a specific column. So that's how you can use the data formatting. And then number three is the conditional output. So for example, if a cell is not checked, output blue team, else output red team. So I'm gonna show you an example here inside this clay table. So we are going to create a column wherein we are going to return true if a cell contains Queensland, and then false if not. So to do that, you just have to use AI formula again. Okay. So again, you just have to describe the formula that you want. So check if contains Queensland or QLD, return. All right. So as you can see here in the sample outputs, any cells that contains Queensland, the output is true. And then if not, false. So let's save this one. All right. So these are the three categories of formulas, and I'm going to wrap up this lesson here. I hope you got value, and I hope that you are going to also utilize this feature because it's going to save you tons of credits in Clay. And if ever you have any questions or any clarifications around what I just shared, just feel free to comment down below, and I'll make sure to read it and respond to it whenever I can. Cheers.